Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Namo tassa bhagavato arahato samma sambuddhassa. Dear the Venerable Sangha, today is the 8th day of our intensive meditation program. We feel most of the venerables, they are more energetic, more effortful, and more hard practice. It is very important to fulfill our ordination life, that to fulfill our practice, it is very important. Buddha Sasana is for these things. Buddha's teaching, Buddha Sasana is for these things. If you don't have the concentration, bring up practice up to the concentration level. If you don't have the vipassana levels, bring up the practice up to the vipassana or ultimate understanding level. If you don't have the other deeper developments, mindfulness, wisdom levels, all these things come up with the Buddha's teaching. We need to practice. The effortful practice is very useful. We see the venerables, more effortful, the effortfulness have to maintain. Early morning, wake up time, immediate had to remind the object and remind the determinations. Daytime also had to maintain the meditation object, either one or few objects. If you can maintain one object, it's all right. If difficult, walking time or other duty time, any of the meditation objects we have to maintain. Then meditation growing very fast. Meditation become very comfortable and you can experience meditation results. So venerables had to have this effortfulness. This is very important retreat, Vassanapasa retreat. If we complete well 14 days, so next 14 days also not difficult one. So that now many venerable requesting even longer retreat also better during the Vassana. So that 14 days also longer, so we have to maintain it. So many they are effortful, many they wanted to have the meditation results. So in the earlier Dhamma talks, we had been explaining, had to train more mindfulness. Among the mindfulness, 4 base of the mindfulness, Chattaro Satipatthana. In the Buddha's teaching, it is very important practice, mindfulness practice. The general mindfulness focus in the body is Kayanupasana. You know, your breath focusing, your 32 parts body, or that the elements or bodily movements, All those consider Kayanupassana. If you focus on feeling, your bodily feeling, mentally feeling, any of the feeling, Vedananupassana. If you can separate each mental movement, it's Chittanupassana. You can see one focus in mind, another focus in mind, another focus in mind. You can separate and see it is Chittanupassana. So that object contains many ingredients, many dhammas, it's Dhammanupassana. If you are moving your hand means many dhammas inside. Following the Buddha's teaching, we know mainly two things, mentality and materiality, nama, rupa. Further, you can see five aggregates. So any of the way you can contemplate the Dhamma, many Dhammas, they are inside this contemplation called Dhammanupassana. Either one, you have to train. If possible, all four. If difficult, at least one. Kayanupassana, have to train. So that if possible, Vedananupassana, Chittanupassana, Dhammanupassana, any of the practice, if you maintain, so your meditation experience become better and better, life become more and more comfortable. We ordained for these things. We all expected mental development. So Buddha Sasana for this mental development. So we determined and to fulfill this practice during the Vassana, we determined to have deep experiences. So we wish all of you to continue this practice and experience deeper meditation results during the Vassana period. So the Buddha period, we can think Buddha period. So Buddha had been residing Jetavana monastery and also Sravati a quite longer period. Other places also had been residing. But more time is spending in the Savatthi. So Buddha's time, Buddha had the great disciples, 80 great disciples. All of them, they are special for some reason. Venerable Sariputta, we know, highest in wisdom. Venerable Moggallana, highest in Sakyapa, like that. Each venerable, they is special. So among these 80 venerable, Venerable Mahakacchai, very special venerable, also very special ability. Venerable have the very special ability. Small Dhamma talk can expand in the various way. So Dhamma explanations, highest. So venerable body, they very beautiful and also shining. Not only this body, that walking, talking, preaching, everything venerable is very pleasant. If the 80 venerable they are in one place, King Sakka also first pay respect to this venerable Mahakacchana. Even other venerable they are, Venerable Sariputta, Moggallana, Venerable Mahakashyapa, even they are, even King Sakka first go to the Venerable Mahakacchana and pay respect others later. Because so that they were also like this venerable. So one day the venerable had been staying in the one of the city called Soraya. There, after venerable having some wash, had been wearing the robe. The treasure of the city, he called Miliana, the rich man, the city, now had been going there together with his friend. He saw venerable body upper part, very shiny body, and also very beautiful body. He thought, oh, venerable's color come to my mind. When he had been thinking, when he was thinking, immediately his life converted because of the evil karma. Venerable is Arahant already. And also even this venerable, that very respected venerable King Sakka and all the devas even paying respect this venerable and also very special venerable. So immediately converted, become woman. He cannot show others. So hiding the group, go away. So on the way, found some of the merchants together, them go to the another city, Taxila, and later they arrange marriage her to the Taxila treatment. You know that story quite long, but I will try to explain brief. So then later, that as a woman, as a mother, also have the two children. Earlier, as the father also have the two children, earlier family. So then after some time, see his friend, her friend, earlier friend, had been going down the road in the Taxila together with the merchant's works. He had the carts and merchant work. Then asked him to come to the house. Then later explain what had happened. Beginning he cannot recognize. Later, after explanation, understood. Then explain what had happened. Then he said, "Oh, had to ask the forgiveness from the venerable." Then easily convert this kind of thing. Then he said, "Please arrange it." Then the friend arranged Venerable Mahakachayana come to the house for house dana. After the house dana offering, they explained what had happened, then asked forgiveness. Venerable also given forgiveness, immediately again converted to the man life. Earlier man life, so later become woman life, now again to the man life. This type of the conversion we never hear at the moment. But one conversion normally it is common in the world. Man become woman is common, but woman become man very lesser, even very rarely have. So this Soraya, that treasure, he twice transferred, twice converted. So then the family all requested to stay because children also there. He said, "No, I am suffering now. I want to ordain and end up the suffering." Ordain under the Venerable Mahakachayana and later practice. The other venerables, that fellow venerables, asked, "Oh, that venerable, that you have the four children, two as the father, two as the mother. Which one you more that attached?" Answered, "Oh, I more attached to the children, second type, one as a mother." Sometimes later answered, "No, I don't have any attachment." Then venerables think that, oh, this venerable, Soraya venerable is showing his attainment, Arahant, bring him to the Buddha, and said, "Bhante, venerable showing his Arahant attainment. We want to bring him to the Lord Buddha." Buddha says, "Yes, he already attained Arahant. He already given up all the attachments." Buddha had been explaining the venerable attainments, and also Buddha preached one Dhammapada verse in Chittavaka, last Dhammapada, to explain Dhamma to the Venerable Sangha. "Natang mata pita kaira anye vapicha jnataka samma panitang chittang seyasonang tato kareti." Buddha had been explaining, mother is not doing, father not doing, and relatives not doing, others not doing. If anyone that make their mentality calm and if mentality developments, that developed mind can make the person higher one. Means that the Soraya also become higher one, Arahant one. So that mind can make the person higher one. We also develop in the practice. We all now develop in the practice. One day you also become higher person. In the world, higher person, so that power is produced by mental development. So that during this Vasana, we determine more and more practice, more and more experience with the deeper meditation results, then definitely you also will become higher person in the world. So the Buddha had been explaining the mother cannot do this work, father also cannot, relatives also cannot, others also cannot. If anyone develop their mentality can convert person to the higher one. That Soraya, also venerable, also converted to the higher one, Arahant one. Earlier he had been suffering. later practice and attain arahant. Similarly, you also can convert yourself. Depend on yourself. We all come to the Buddha Sasana for practice. Our aim is mental development. To do it, we keep effortful practice. Morning, night time, whole day, we keep this practice. Gradually, your life becomes better and better. You can experience deeper mindfulness. You can experience deeper concentration. You can experience deeper wisdom. You can experience mindfulness and other qualities. Means your life is bright, valuable life. So ordination life, we ordain together sometimes. One or two become very high position because of the effortful and continual practice. So like that, the practice can convert to the higher levels. If you don't have the jhanas, you practice and attain the jhana level, means now you are a jhana person. Higher level. If you don't have the mindfulness, you practice and you become mindful person, now higher level. If you don't have the vipassana knowledges or vipassana ultimate knowledge, you practice now become ultimate person, ultimate knowledge person, higher level. Like that. The conversion depends on our own practice. First we understand and then later practice. Life can convert. When we are thinking on this, we may think, oh, that parents, relatives, also they are doing some part. Yes, they are doing some part. But whole development they cannot do. Basic development they can help. Also depend on them. Sometimes parents they try, relatives they try, even though not works, they are going to the wrong side. Some children, they are going to the wrong side. Because they are not practicing. Sometimes parents or relatives, they are ignorant base. But children, they are more wiseful because they are more practice, became higher people in the world because of the correct practice. So like that, the Buddha says, our own practice can build up the good life, can become the higher person. So we should maintain continuous practice until become higher person. So this is Vassana period. During the Vassana period, we determine continue practice throughout the Vassana period. Morning wake up time until sleeping time. Maintain practice, definitely your mental development there. This part can do only by yourself. Others cannot do. If you practice, definitely it is for you. So we determine to maintain this practice. Wish all of you to have the meditation development during this Vassana period. So the Buddha explained in the Dhamma talk, the mind, if mind keep the wholesome objects, can convert person to the higher one. How we understand it? The mentality have two things, unwholesome, greed, hatred, delusion, conceit. These are the unnecessary mentalities. We focus whether we can develop our mind with these great objects, hatred, delusion. We focus. If we can, it had happened early, many lives before. Because in the samsara, when you reflect your backward samsara, we had been spending the lives, million of the lives we had been spending with the great hatred, delusion, but didn't develop yet. So Buddha know it. Buddha says only development way is that wholesome object or non-greed, non-hatred, non-delusion objects only can have the good life, valuable life, higher life. How it happened? You can understand. Together with the greed object, but power is increasing our life. When the greed object there, your evil karma, because this object, all the objects contain chetana, intention. Intention produces the karma. Buddha says, Chetanaham bhikkhave kammam vada. Kamma means chetana, means intention. Intention is if the intention is the unwholesome, greedy intention, karma become weaker. Intention is the hatred, karma become weaker. Intention is to conceit, karma become weaker. Intention other unwholesome, karma become weaker. Your karma, weak karma, then many suffering you have to face in future. If you understand this part, you not allow even a small amount greed object. You not allow even a small amount hated object. You not allow even a small amount conceit object. If you understand it, but our wisdom not enough to understand it. Anyhow, we generally understand greed object producing karma, future had to suffer. Hated object produce karma, future had to suffer. Delusion object produce karma, future had to suffer. All the evil object producing karma, future had to suffer. We have to understand. So what does the wholesome object? Buddha says wholesome object, samma panihitam citta. So that keep in mind, develop in mind, wholesome mind. What does wholesome object, all the wholesome object build up your good karma, positive karma. So today you are building up meditation practice, good karma become better. Tomorrow again good karma better. Next day again good karma better. Day by day your good karma is getting better and better. So later you can maintain wholesome object only whole life. So that means your wholesome karma is very strong now. Karmic energy becomes stronger because wholesome objects. So very wholesome object build up good karma. You can understand. Our Bodhisattva had been doing lot of wholesome life to life. In his enlightenment time, under the Bodhi tree, Mara, million of the followers together come to disturb the Buddha, Bodhisattva. Couldn't do it. Bodhisattva determined only earth start shaking because of karma power, so strong karma power. Had been developed in the wholesome, all the Maras and followers, million of the Maras and followers, all got frightened and ran away. Because of the karma so stronger. Devadatta, many lives tried to destroy the Bodhisattva, but couldn't do because karma protect him. So good, so powerful, so strong karma with him because of the wholesome objects. So we also develop this wholesome object. Later, your wholesome power become better and better. You become higher person. So that we understand the wholesome valuability, determine, maintain wholesome object throughout the day, determine even a small amount unwholesome object not to arise in mind. We know it is not easy, but have to do it. Beginners, especially beginners, we know, not easy work. But have to train. When you are training, one day you successful. If not train, you cannot success it. Then today you train, little bit only works, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 1 week, 2 weeks, later, it's success. Till then, you also have to do it. So that determine unwholesome, even greed amount not allowed. Greed is small amount not allowed. Hatred is small amount not allowed. Delusion, conceit is small amount not allowed. Determine wholesome object. Train as much as possible. It is much useful for life to convert, life to become higher person. Then later you become more mindful, more wiseful, more concentrated person. All this development depend on your developmental behaviors. So the Buddha Sasana for the mental development. We know it is not easy, but have to do it. When you are doing it, you have to see your mental development. 5 faculties you can see. Faith, effort, mindfulness, concentration, wisdom. Whether growing or not, whether weak or not. If weak, you have to recover those weak faculty. Example, faith. If the faith weaker, then you have to train some of the faithful objects, so that faith can increase. Some of the venerable say, "Oh Bhante, my faith is very weak, but I practice Buddha Anusati, it not works, not feeling any faith." So this kind of character, it is better go to the empty place and recite Buddha's quality by your own word, or sometimes Pali also. It bit that you also can hear you are talking Buddha's parami, Buddha's practice, Buddha's enlightenment, Buddha's duty, or any the Buddha's facing difficulties. All these things you are talking, your own word also, or Pali also doesn't matter. Any language you recite, you're talking, sometimes later you start tearing because of faith. This is that real faith. When this faith comes, very easy, mind very calm, very comfortable, very easy practice. So this kind of experience you should have. Some of the venerables, they explain their experiences. So like that, faith, very important. Then effort is weak, you have to practice effortful background. Some venerables more effortful, you see the venerable effortful background. We talk to the associate effortful venerables, and also read in the venerables effortful characters, and Dhamma talks, effortful Dhamma talks listening. Those way we can increase our effort. Mindfulness, maintain your meditation object continuous. If you focus steps, continuously focus. Breath, continuously focus. Mindfulness getting stronger. Concentration also, if the mindfulness is stronger, concentration also comes. Wisdom depends on the ultimate developments, ultimate contemplations. Mentality, materiality, cause and effect, if you are contemplating, so wisdom is growing. So all those factors you can reflect whether weak or stronger. Weak, you have to bring it up. Daily training and bring it up. This way you develop your mind. Your day by day you can feel mental developments. This is the Buddha's asana, this is the Buddha's teaching. We understand Buddha's teaching, then have to practice. So that when you are practicing, you need two things. One thing is you need that wholesome desire, kusala chanda, you need. I have to develop wholesome object, I must develop wholesome object, wholesome desire. It is one of the very important things. Another thing is wholesome effort. Even you have the desire, if your effort not enough, cannot develop it. So that early morning cannot start practice, daytime also some reason cannot practice, then you cannot develop because your effort not enough. Many reasons come to stop your practice. Sometimes stomach full also cannot practice, stomach empty also cannot practice, hot also cannot practice, cold also cannot practice. Various reasons come not to practice. Means effort begun. Effortful one, not like that. Whatever the condition, he maintains his practice. So effortfulness, very important to develop the wholesome object. If anyone have this effortfulness and desire to develop the wholesome object, day by day wholesome power getting stronger and stronger, one day wholesome become very powerful, mindfulness very stable, concentration very stable, wisdom very stable, meditation become very stable. Until meditation is stable, we have to determine and we have to maintain this practice. So we know the venerables more effortful. So further, you have to maintain the effortfulness for continued practice. Wish all of you to continue effortful practice and experience deep meditation results, and wish all of you to attain all the path, fruitions and nibbana. Thereby Saranai. Sharing medicine. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Idam o nyati nam hotu sukitavantu nyatayo. Idam o nyati nam hotu sukitavantu nyatayo. ඉදං හෝ ඥාතේනං හෝතු සුඛිතාවන්තු ඥාතයෝ එතාවතා ච අම්මේහි සම්පතං පුඤ්ඤ සම්පදං සබ්බේ දේවා අනුමෝදන්තු සබ්බ සම්පත්ති සිද්ධියා සබ්බේ භූතා අනුමෝදන්තු සබ්බ සම්පත්ති සිද්ධියා සබ්බේ සත්තා අනුමෝදන්තු සබ්බ සම්පත්ති සිද්ධියා ආකාසට්ටා ච බුම්මට්ටා දේවා නාග මහිද්దికා පුඤ්ඤන්තං අනුමෝදිत्वा චිරං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බුද්ධ ශාසනං චිරං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බුද්ධ දේශනං චිරං රක්ඛන්තු සම්බුද්ධ ශාවකං චිරං රක්ඛන්තු මම් පරන්ති अस्मिन् विहारे च आरामे अधिवत्ता च देवता अनुमोदित्वा इमं पुण्यं रक्षन्तु जिनशासनं सब्बे सत्ता च मज्जता हिता च हिता च मे अनुमोदित्वा इमं पुण्यं भुज्यन्तु अमृतं पदम् इमिना पुण्यकम्मेन मामे बालसमागमो सतं समागमो होतु यावनिब्बानपत्तिया इमिना पुण्यकम्मेन मामे बाल सतं समागमो होतु यावनिब्बानपत्तिया इमिना पुण्यकम्मेन मामे बालसमागमो सतं समागमो होतु यावनिब्बानपत्तिया इमाय धम्मानुधम्मपटिपत्तिया बुद्धं पूजयामि इमाय धम्मानुधम्मपटिपत्तिया धम्मं पूजयामि इमाय धम्मानुधम्मपटिपत्तिया संघं पूजयामि अद्धा इमाय पटिपत्तिया जातिजरा मरणं मा परिमुञ्चिष्यामि कायेन वाचा चित्तेन प्रमादेन मया कृतम् अच्चयं कममे बन्ते भूरि पञ्चतथागत कायेन वाचा चित्तेन प्रमादेन मया कृतम् अच्चयं कममे धम्म संवित्तिक अकालिक कायेन वाचा चित्तेन प्रमादेन मया कृतम् अच्चयं कममे संग पुण्यकृत अनुत्तर साधु साधु साधु